Hey there, it's Chris here. You know, we all face challenges and unexpected obstacles that make our journey or life more difficult, right? But have you ever stopped to think about how much of this struggle is self-created? How often do we unnecessarily stress ourselves out by assuming the worst and replaying our fears in our mind? How many times do we refuse to let go and adapt to change, causing unnecessary mental tension? It's time to step back and reflect on the inner turmoil that we may be causing ourselves. So join me on October 10th at 11 a.m. for a presentation that will bring awareness to when you dip below the line. It's okay to acknowledge that sometimes we are our own worst enemies. But the good news is we also have the power to change that and bring ourselves up above the line. We have the ability to let go of assumptions, adapt to change, and free ourselves from self-imposed stress. I've been working on this myself for over the last 5 years. I've been working with multiple coaches, and soon I'm actually going to be earning my own professional coaching certificate. I hope you'll join Laura and me on October 10th. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.